do a bike trick? Yeah. Nah, nigga, I'm just yanking your chain. You know.
Nah, what's up, guys? I have some Easter Wonder Year bars, 9x30. The Duo Van Homens. The Colt Salvation top load stem. Real nice. You guys should pick one up. The Primo Kamakaze forks. The Demolition Momentums. G-Sport roll cage laced up to a demolition bulimia. And I got some Odyssey twombolts right here. Real good cranks. Got a primo sprocket. The Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Shadow Conspiracy pedals, the Ravengers. And also Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs. For my back rim, I got the same Demolition Momentum tires. Another G-Sport roll cage. And a Demolition Rolls cassette. And this is all put together on the Fit Wi-Fi frame. But I took off the Fit sticker, put on a Cult sticker, because I like the Cult team better than the Fit team. You know? Real good team. Real nice bike. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.